my dander-filled apartment to bring you a video that gets a lot of mileage in this household. Jingle Cats!
This is a video by a guy named Mike Spalla, who created a lot of other Jingle animal videos, but really, Jingle Cats was his magnum opus.
No, that's an E sharp. Come on, you're better than this.
Mike Spalla is the master of putting animals in front of green screens, and Jingle Cats is only the tip of the iceberg. Check out Jingle Dogs.
But he might have gone a little too far when he made Jingle Babies.